Do you have autofocus issue on your JMGO projector? The autofocus works, but can't get a clear and correct focus point. Well, my JMGO PicoFlix has it sometime. No idea why. But no worries. Here is a simple method to fix it. Just go to Setting, Projector, and select Focus. Manual focus is one of the solutions, but not permanent. Autofocus calibration is the best method. Just follow the instructions there will do. Place your projector from 1.6 meter away from the screen, but within 2.65 meter. Then adjust the focus wheel until you get the clear view. Click on OK in the end. Move your projector to several distances and do the same calibration until you get the clear and correct focus view. That's all. After autofocus calibration, your JMGO projector should be able to autofocus correctly now. If the problem is still there, do consult JMGO support then. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching. See ya.